Hello, what's up, guys? In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a page inside your WordPress installation. If you had a WordPress, you definitely are going to need the page inside your website. Okay, so basically, we got options here, posts and pages. Okay, posts is completely different from pages because posts it could be like an article or some section that you would like to add and appear in your blog site, all right? But basically, pages is more like a standalone, all right? It's the fixed information that you're going to show to your clients inside your website. So in order to add the pages, okay, you can just go to pages option and add a new page, okay? But also I'm going to show you how you can access from other side. Okay, you just need to click on all pages. And basically, this is the pages that I have published in my website. Okay, so you got option here to add a new page. So you just going to click on it. And basically, we got here like a blank document where you're going to edit and add content, images, and whatever you need, right? And the option that you're seeing here is that in this website, we have a DV builder installed. So by default, DV is the constructor or the builder where we can also create a page, okay? But we are going to use the default editor, okay? That is Gutenberg from WordPress. Okay, so we got here the option to add a title. So for example, test page, all right? And then we can type here or um, choose a block. Okay. So for example, this is a test for a page inside WordPress. All right. Okay. And also we have um, this going to modify this for okay. And also we had options to add a block. Okay. When you click on it, you're gonna see some options. Let's go to browse all. If you just pass over the each option is going to show you a little description about what you can do inside that block. Okay. So basically, as I said, we got builders like a DV, like Elementor, WP, Bakery, and also the default that is called Gutenberg. Each one have a different technology and different way to work. Okay. In this video, I'm showing how you can do it by the default editor. Okay, so for example, let's make an example with image. All right. So as you can see here, there's an image. So we're gonna upload. All right. Once it's uploaded, we got options to make it bigger or smaller. Okay. We also have options to full width, align to the left, align to the center. That is going to do it. All right. And also we got options here to the resolution as medium, thumbnail, alert, full size. Okay. And type, for example, alternative text. For example, this is a robot. Okay. And I'm going to show you how is the result at the end. All right. So let's go to make another example. Let's go to click on blocks and for example, quote. Okay. This is a reminder of how to add page in WordPress. All right, by creator. Fine. So at the end, we got the title, we got text, we got an image, and then we got a quote option. We can add more options as you like. Okay, it's going to browse all, and then just need to add whatever you need. Okay. Also, you can add a feature image that basically this is how is the search appearance about how once somebody are trying to look for something. Okay, this is how it looks in the Google results. Okay, so let's going to see how is the results. Let's go to save draft. Okay, without publishing, and it's gonna have a look. Just gonna come here, desktop preview, new tab. All right, so basically this is how it looks like, okay? And well, this is a sidebar because it's the default as coming by is coming as default, okay, and more options here. That is the footer page, okay, but this is something that is not related with the content that we just created, okay. Also, we can change the template here, okay. So as I am using the default template of my website, okay, it looks like how I showed you before. But if you choose a blank page, okay, then save. And as you can see, there's no footer page and there's no menu in the head of the website, only the content that we just created. All right, so remember that once you're going to create or add a page, you can use the Divi Builder, you can use the Elementor, you can use the Gutenberg. That is the default technology that come in with the WordPress installation, and some others builders that are around there. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you have something interesting to share, just leave me in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.